Alright guys, here we are at one of the ponds I fished before in one of my videos where I caught a few 3 and a couple 5-pounders out of. This time I'm in the kayak because I really want to try to fish this minnow because it's hard to get to from the bank. We got a couple of lures that we're going to try. Hopefully catch us some more big bass. I'm trying to go over here where this area was, because that's where I caught majority of the big one. But I want to try right here real quick. Try it with the big old worm, see if we can get a big old bass to bite it. I think we can, so give it a shot and see what happens. I don't even know if you can have a kayak in this place or not, so I guess I found out eventually. I would think. They tell me to take it out or whatnot. I just want to fish this middle of this pond. Here we go. First one of the day, just a little dinker though. But he hit it. You gotta start somewhere. No skunk in the kayak, so that's good. So let him go, let him grow. Hopefully we catch his mama. It'll be close. It'll be close, I think, so this color might work. I mean, it's got a little chartreuse in it. Mm-hmm. Yeah. There we go. Fourth one of the day. The other one didn't, last one didn't catch because it pretty much came right off as soon as I tried to pull them up in the kayak. I guess we count them out. I don't know, it doesn't matter. But either way, it's 4 fish. Let them go, let them grow. I know there's bigger ones, man. That's the thing about kayak fishing. Drift. Unless I get me a trolling motor put on this or something. Might do that maybe in the near future. Oh! Oh, felt big. He hit it hard. Nope. Not big at all, but he freaking tanked that. He freaking tanked it. Catching little ones, but they're fun. Dude, he hit it so dang hard for another quarter pounder with cheese. 5th one of the day. Pretty little bass. Alright. See you later, buddy. Thanks for the bite. That dude was tiny. Felt like something hit it, but I wasn't sure. That was insane. Tiny little dude too. I wonder why he came on. Dude. They loving the jig. Oh my gosh. I don't know what the heck that was. Must have followed it in. Instantly hit it. See? Here it goes again. Oh my gosh, dude. See it? Got him. It's a little baby. It's not a baby. Well, sort of. There we go. Another little dink. He wanted that. That was weird. Guess they liking the jig right now as well. Oh, that's 3 different baits. Let them go, let them grow. Oh yeah, right near that brush pile, just as I thought. Where he should have been. There we go, probably almost the biggest of the day. Not really. All about the same size. Obviously can't get the big ones today, but hey,